Hi, Mark Diaz here for 2danimation101.com. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how you can change the angle of your G3 characters. This is what we want to do. We want to be able to use animation for the use frontal clips for the front angle and then side clips. For example, this is the end result. This is the finished project. You can open that if you want. I play the animation and then she stands and then she starts running. You see, this is the side angle, okay? And this is what I want. I want to be able to change from the frontal angle to the side angle, okay? So if you want to follow along, just open the changing the angle start. Okay, so what I want to do right now, check this. This is the problem. When I play it, let me play it. Then she starts running. There, it starts running in the frontal view. Oh my God, ouch. This hurts. We don't want that. Ouch. So we want to change the angle to the side view, okay? So to do that, this is the technique I use. I select the character and then I duplicate it. I just hold Control and then move it to the side, okay? And now I want both characters to be in the exact same position. So to do that, I can select this character and then I would put all this data, all the X position, everything here, and put those numbers in this character. Fortunately, it's all in 0. I can select her and then press 0, and that brings everything to 0, and then select this other character and press 0. Now both are in the exact same position. Okay? And now what I'm going to do, if I go to Scene Manager, I have 2 characters, right? And with the second one selected, I'm going to go to Content Manager, select Actor, and I'm going to double click on the side view. Double clicking on the side view is going to switch this, whatever I have selected in the workspace is going to be switched. Okay, so double click. And now I have the side view, okay? We have the frontal version and the side version. And I did that after applying the animation. Let me show the timeline to explain what happened. You can select what you are showing in the timeline right here. Right now I have both characters. And if I wanted to see the camera, I would just select project and I can see the camera. Because I don't want to see the project, I'm gonna hide it. And I have both characters showing. Let me show the motion of both. You see? Both have the exact same animation. That's what I want. I want both characters synced. Let me hide motion for both. And now, so far, we have been working with motion, right? And also collect clip and also transform. Now I'm going to show you how to use the visible, okay? This tab. So let me show those. Visible. And as you can see, both characters are being shown the entire time, you see? And what I want is a switch. At one point, when she starts running, I want to only be showing the side version and not the frontal one, okay? So let's select the switch moment. I think it's gonna be around maybe here when she's dropping her hands, around 130. And in here, I'm going to hide the frontal view, okay? So let me have that selected and then click in this little eye. This little eye is going to control the visibility and it's going to add a keyframe here. Whatever I do to this button, it's going to change this row in the timeline, okay? So let me press it. Boom. now it's invisible. You see, it's visible during this entire time, and then it hides, and now I don't see it. Now I only see the side view. And now let me hide. What I want now is to be showing the side view and hide the side view, the entire first part of the animation. How? Well, let me select it right here. I have it selected. And now I'm going to add a keyframe by hiding and then showing again. Now I have a keyframe here, but the problem is that I'm still showing it the entire time. All I do is go to the first frame and hide it there. Bam! Now I have a switch. This is the frontal view, is showing here, and then it hides, and then it will show me the side view. Okay? Like this. Very good, you see? But I don't like the switch right there. I want the switch to happen a little bit later. Maybe when she starts flexing her knees, like this. Maybe there. I'm going to put both keyframes here. Yes. Very good. You see? Now we have a change in the angle for the animation. Okay. That's it for this lesson. Now you know how to change the angles of your G3 characters. And now, in the next lesson, I'll show you how to do replacement animation, how to change the sprites. See you there.